Before getting started, make sure you have created a free or paid remote.it account, set up a working Raspberry Pi that is connected to your network, the ConnectD installer on your Raspberry Pi, and you have a basic understanding of how to navigate and use terminal commands on your OS. Before attaching real VNC to your remote.it device, you must first enable VNC on your Pi. To do this, run the command sudo raspi-config. It will bring you to this menu. Select 5 Interfacing Options. In the next menu, select P3 VNC and enable VNC. Now we need to figure out which port to run VNC through. We can do that by running this command. Here we can see that on the port 5900, this is where the VNC server is. And then now we can run the command sudo connectd _installer. At the sign in menu, enter 1 to sign into your remote.it account. Then enter your username and your password. Then at the main menu, enter 1 to attach remote.it to an application. At the protocol selection menu, enter 3 VNC on port 5900. Like we learned earlier, our port for VNC is 5900. This is also the default port for real VNC. If the port you found earlier is not 5900, enter N, but ours was, so we will enter Y. And now you can name your service. At this menu, you should see the service name you just created, VNC is the protocol, localhost is the address, and the port 5900. Now you can enter 5 to exit out of the program. When you log into your remote.it account, locate your device. Then click on the service you just created. This will open a new tab and give you 3 VNC options. The first one is relevant to Windows, while the second is relevant to Mac. In order to enable the first two to work, you have to use the third. So copy this address and open the VNC Viewer application. You can download the application by going to the Real VNC website. In the application, paste that address into the address bar. Press Continue and enter your Pi's password. And now you're in your Pi's GUI. And now we can create a VNC password that will enable the first two options in the previous menu. Press the icon in the upper right hand corner and then this button. Then click on Options. Make sure authentication is set to VNC password. Then press Users and Permissions, Password, and create a password. Now you can use this password to use the other two options in the previous window. To use the first one, close out of this window and enter your password. To enable the second option, click on the address provided, open screen sharing, press Connect, and enter your VNC password. These are the ways you can connect to your Raspberry Pi with VNC while using remote.it. For additional information, visit our website or contact support at remote.it. Thanks for watching.